And then I realized in 2009, I did 12 deals, and 12 of them came from joint ventures with people in the Harbour Club.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I got so busy doing deals with my own community that I was creating,
Yeah.
that I'd almost stopped doing my own kind of, running around and meeting people and stuff like that. And so after that, basically what I decided to do was to drop the price, make it a more simple course, because we used to fly off in a private jet to somewhere glamorous. The first one was in Saint-Tropez. We then did all these monthly meetings at 5-star hotel out in the countryside in the UK and all this sort of stuff. So we basically got rid of all the fluff and just focused on the core education. And then over the years, what we've done is build a community side to it. So we now have like an app where everybody's in there. We've expanded into the US and into Australia, so we've got the whole world pretty much covered, the whole English-speaking world covered. And the community is incredibly active and vibrant now. I was saying to somebody the other day, there is now more content being posted in the app that's not by me than there is by me. So there's all these videos going in all the time around sourcing, around doing deals, around specifics in different countries, hacks for Australia or hacks for Canada or, whatever it is. So all this extra content is going in without me participating in that. And also the people doing deals. I mean, like somebody today on WhatsApp said they just sold a company, and I was like, shit, I didn't know you'd bought one. It was it was the first I'd heard of it. And another person was saying, I've done my 4th deal, and I was like, again, I didn't know about deals 1, 2, and 3. So the community's really taken on a life of its own, and they're out there really sort of hustling. So it's really fantastic. We built it on a kind of an anti-seminar basis, because the thing I hated was the traditional seminar model where it's all hard sell. There's not, you don't really get the information you want because they want to sell you the next thing all the time. So we did this deliberate approach, which was to say, look, there's one fee, it's lifetime membership, and basically there's no upsells, there's no cross sells, there's no mentoring, masterminding, any of that shit. All of that stuff is included and free within the structure. So we're a bit more expensive on the front end, but that's because we're not going to try and sell you something afterwards. It's done,
Sure.
And we're the only one, I think, that's actually based on real experience. Most of the others are selling regurgitated information that they've read rather than personal experience of hard won experience in the trenches.
Sure.
So it really is quite a unique little thing. But yeah, I'm really lucky. I have a great team on the Harbour Club, so I do very, very little. I pretty much answer their questions, turn up and speak, we do these Q&A sessions where I answer anything that they can throw at me.